Come and check it out.
Nem szedetni kell.
Maki eating tea.
Peanuts tend to be grounding. Flying dragons over the space. After a day of settling with the essence of Starseed mission, dragons are helping us to anchor more of those subtle frequencies.
This is for the real tough ones, for the gentle warriors who are ready to discover and unveil the truth in their heart. Don't come here thinking we're just gonna kumbaya all day, all night, hold hands and sing songs. No! I mean, yes, but not just that. This is real! Come as we are, and we are who we are, and we are that. And we just peel all the layers that are not that, but it's in place. Because we're held by the cosmic embrace. So welcome to the Space by the Force. Where the unraveling gets real.
Who would you like to invite in, or what kind of energies to connect with?
Souls that are ready to, sort of claim their energy, create from their heart, dig the dirt, and dance among the stars.
What about the impact on, let's call it, greater planetary mission? Starseed reclaiming the Earth and the sense of life on this planet. What the impact do you see that the individual or just the gathering like this can have?
It's this remembrance, it's this action that starts happening, and it first goes into this unraveling of all that is not on the mission, but then there are these things that start supporting our voice, our gifts, our movement.
How is it to feel alive on Earth in this life?
It doesn't really have words.
Ava's calling us, wow.
There's a bee. Pollinators. Carriers of the essence.
How is it to actually be a caretaker of a place like this?
It feels like a place where your own energy can be anchored, and at least if I speak for myself, where I can birth myself.
And when we talk about the gathering, what do you feel wants to be birthed into the world?
It's almost not possible to capture in human language. There was no language when it was here, or in times when there was a reality close to it. I would say it's like the feeling of when you look at something and you just know by heart it is carrying part of your essence, like a crystal or a flower or You look in the eyes of an animal and you know that you're connected to it. That language.
Thanks, it can be felt. It's moving, huh? Now we are for real. What would you say to people that might be intrigued or interested about actually coming here?
It's the only thing that's real.
You just have to come. It's the only thing that's real. I guess people can settle with that.